Hi, I'm Dixie Crabtree, and I'm going to show you something that I've learned today. I'm on a internet marketing group, and with that group, we're suggested to get, quite a few friends on here so we can network with each other. But what I've been running into is that I get requests from a lot of people who end up being scammers. And so I've had so many that I thought I would show you how I find them and how you can avoid ending up with a scam in your friends list. So up here, I have all these people like requesting, and then you can confirm, do whatever. But if you click on their picture and then you find their picture, what you do then is, I'm not saying this guy's a scammer. Okay, let me see here. What I found, these men right here actually have scammed me. So these were ones wanting, requesting friendships from me. So what you do, I've already found their pages on Facebook. This is one that actually happened to me just today. This person down here. And so what you do is you go to Google. Let's see here. And in the upper right-hand corner is a thing that says images right here. So you click on the images. And then you go to the images tab. I gotta move my face. And it'll ask you to upload or paste. So since I've already saved it to my desktop, I will go upload the image. And here's the one I said did today. Then I will open that. And then Google finds, who these people are, whatever. So anyways, this guy was a scam, and so all these pictures came up, and he's not the scammer himself. Somebody else is using his picture and portraying to be someone else. So that's how you find it. You just go and Google their pictures, and if they're definitely a scam and have been used before, they will come up. Otherwise, yeah, it's been very frustrating for me because there's been just so many. Like today, I've had 10, and I just wanted to show you that. So hopefully, it won't happen to you. Thank you.